Gondor multifunctional, jacketed kettle. Low noise and stable power. Simple operation. Intelligent, precise temperature control, with a handle for easy operation. Non-stick pot bottom. Scraping the wall without residue. Facilitate the dumping of materials. Stability and reliability. Click the Start button. Pour ingredients into the kettle. Multi-purpose boiling. Fast mixing speed. Even heating without dead angle. Bright and unfocused color. Can realize 90-degree inclined discharging. Wide range of application. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability. Innovation, precision.